Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh. The video I bought for you today is about benefits of feeding the cow and tips on how to welcome good health, good fortune, and prosperity through feeding the cow or Gaumata as we call her. But before we go on to the subject of the video, let me share with you a brief about the channel. I have done over 23 years of research in astrology, numerology, and Vastu, and I'm getting to you the very extract of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can enjoy a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, The Ancients, please do subscribe to the channel. I will also request you to share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can enjoy the benefits of these informational videos which I am sharing with you. Coming back to our topic, it's all about how we feed the cow or Gaumata as we call her. We Hindus believe that over 33 crore gods and goddesses reside inside the Gaumata, and feeding her is considered to be very auspicious. By feeding the Gaumata on a daily basis, you can welcome business and career growth, prosperity, positivity, good health, and happiness into your homes. Seva of Gaumata is equivalent to seva and service to all our gods and goddesses. Donating a cow is called as a Mahadan in Hindu Dharma. It's one of the biggest dans you can give or charity you can do. What do you feed Gaumata? If you feed Gaumata roti on a daily basis, the first roti which you cook at home, keep it aside, and when you go out, give it to Gaumata. That's considered to be very auspicious. If you give roti and gur or jaggery to Gaumata, you overcome all obstacles to your success. Especially roti and gur given on Tuesday welcomes prosperity and happiness. If you give the food post your fasting to Gaumata, then it is considered as doubly auspicious. Like I said earlier, the first roti you cook in the house, you please keep it aside for Gaumata or the cow. Feeding the cow gets prosperity, good luck, good fortune, career growth, and peace of mind. You should give rotis in odd numbers, that is 3, 5, and 9 to the Gaumata. It is always considered very auspicious to give odd numbers of rotis to the Gaumata. Now, what do you give to overcome planets which are putting obstacles in your way? If you are facing difficulties thanks to the sun being inauspicious in your horoscope, give the cow bread daily, bread made out of wheat. If your moon is inauspicious in your horoscope and you are facing difficulties because of the moon, such as depression, loss of confidence, then give water to the cow daily. To overcome problems caused by the planet Mars, give jaggery to the cow daily. To overcome problems caused by the planet Mercury, feed the cow grass or green vegetables on a daily basis. For Jupiter, jaggery and roti and haldi is considered very good. If Venus is causing problems for you, give a part of your food or feed the cow with rice or sweet kheer. For Rahu, feed a black cow. For Saturn, mustard oil put on roti is considered to be very beneficial. Lord Shanidev becomes calm and does not give you any problems or difficulties if you feed the cow, especially a black cow, roti with mustard oil on it. And for Ketu, give roti with sesame seeds. So, any planet which you are facing with difficulty with or it's giving negative effects to you, I've shared with you what you have to feed the cow so that those negative effects are overcome. Misfortunes and obstacles are overcome if you pray to the cow daily. If you keep a cow at home, all vastu dosas and diseases go away permanently from your home. If you light a diya of cow ghee every day, it gives a lot of prosperity at your home and you overcome health problems. A photo of Krishna ji with cows grazing beside him gives you good health and prosperity. Friends, like I said earlier, feeding the cow is considered very, very auspicious. And by feeding the cow on a daily basis, you can overcome many problems in your life. You welcome good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, success by feeding a cow. For those who are depressed, have lack of confidence, and have a poor self-image, giving the cow roti on a daily basis, especially on Mondays, giving it rice and kheer will give you a lot of beneficial effects, including confidence, overcoming depression. The simple act of keeping a cow at your home can resolve all vastu problems and cure all diseases. Friends, I'm sure you find these videos which I bring for you very, very informative and useful, and you are deriving the benefits of the multiple informations which I'm sharing with you. I request you once again, please do subscribe to the channel The Ancients. I have studied astrology, numerology and Vastu for over 23 years, and I'm sharing with you the extract and the essence of these sacred sciences so that you can live a life filled with good health, prosperity, good fortune, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your friends and near and dear ones. Please do subscribe to the channel. I would also request that you share this channel videos with your friends and family so that they too can subscribe to the channel and enjoy the benefits of the multiple information I share with you on a regular basis. Till we meet again with another informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Do stay safe, good luck, all the best.